I don't know what's coming my way. But hell, put the seatbelt on and put her in drive. Hi, this is Leslie
and Lexi
here at Light Elegance headquarters in Redmond, Oregon. Today we're doing something new. I'm not sure if I like it. Jimmy says we're doing a video. He's getting awful bossy.
He is getting bossy.
And I go, oh, what are we doing the video on today? Oh, it's a surprise.
We are totally here and we have no idea what we're talking about.
I don't think we ever do.
It's true. But we have no idea why we're here. But apparently Jimmy is going to let us know on film.
Yeah.
Or on the tape, as Leslie likes to say.
So we are going to be talking about LEU Bachelor's program online.
Oh.
And first off, you guys are going to read some of the reviews that people have put up on the website.
Oh, wow. You put a lot of work into this.
Jimmy, I'm impressed.
So we're here to talk about the LEU Bachelor's program.
For those of you, though, this is an awesome subject, I do have to say, because at Light Elegance, we totally believe in education.
Yes.
It's so important that we know exactly what we're doing, why we're doing it, to have success.
Yes.
We have online program that you go through. It's a 101, 201, 301, and then there's electives. You get this beautiful plaque at the end. You have to submit work, and you get to Skype with our dean, head of
Our dean of students, Darcy Olin. You work one-on-one with her, do FaceTime. She just is really hands-on with you. As somebody wrote in the reviews, it's a career changer.
Oh, that's cool. We'll read this.
All right. Do I have to read the whole thing?
Yeah,
So Garcia Gardner wrote, I have watched myself grow over the year with this program. My clients' nails are staying on longer. The shape is amazing, and I am able to answer any product question a client might have. I was able to do this program at my own pace. Being a business owner and a mom of two, there were some weeks I wasn't able to do the schooling, but Darcy was a great teacher and was there to answer all my questions I had. Thank you, Light Elegance, for creating an amazing program. This is a career changer.
Wow. Thank you.
That
gave me goosebumps.
Thank you. Oh, did I say her name wrong?
Yeah, you did.
I'm sorry. Makia? Of course, it's a tough name.
Wow.
Do you want to read one?
Yeah. This is Mindy Hobbs.
She gets an easy name.
I feel like I learned so much from this course. I feel like I have better control over the different products. I have gotten faster in my application because of it. I highly recommend this course to anyone looking to better themselves in the nail industry.
Wow.
Wow, bettering yourself is always what's the next one?
Denise Forney. I started my LEU course January 2017 and finished around April 2017. I feel like this is a great way to get to know this awesome product for new manicurists and for veterans. For me, this was great as I don't have access to a lot of classes in my area, and Darcy was very helpful and very knowledgeable. I would absolutely recommend this to anyone wanting to further their education. And just so you guys can see, this is the beautiful LEU Bachelor's plaque that you get once you
once you complete the bachelor's program, you receive this plaque with your name in it. You also get 10% off of all LE products for 1 year. I mean, wow, all this knowledge you get and this confidence and this plaque, God, your clients will love
you can
that.
hang this above your table and it gives you recognition. It gives you so much credit, and people look at you differently.
And yourself. I mean, it just gives you such a boost. And the 10% off all the product for 1 year, that's amazing.
Wow, look at all these. We could just sit here and read all of them. But
I know. It was probably a little too much, right? And we're getting a little long here, Jimmy. There's so many. What a great thing.
the headlines, at least, thoroughly recommended.
Awesome opportunity.
Level up your gel game.
Ooh, level. I like that.
So glad I did it.
Amazing.
Definitely recommended. And fantastic company and program.
Oh, we'll end on that one. I like that.
Fantastic company and program.
Education's important.
Thanks to this woman right here.
Oh, well, thank you.
Well, yeah, you're the owner, and look how you've changed everybody's lives, and I think it's fantastic to see these reviews come in and see what you guys have done for people, and you've changed people's careers.
I guess we have. That's quite an honor. But anyway, I hear that a lot too, and I, elevate yourself, educate yourself. We support that 100%. So, like some of those people said, you don't have time to go to school all the time. You might not have any education area. Go online. It's so easy, and you can take it at your own pace. Yes. And then LE students, he's holding up a sign.
Like I said, we didn't know what this was about.
Only for LEU students.
Oh, the kids.
Kids. See, Jimmy,
that was the heady knob.
You were really gambling big on us. We did pretty well until now. So you tell them about
heavily
the student
discounted.
Kits.
So the student kits, it's only for students. It includes every product you need for the classes. So what you're going to learn for each class comes in the kit. So you get the product, which is really nice. So you know how to use it and you know how to apply it. It's heavily discounted, and you can get it through any of your local distributors.
Yeah. So when we say students, we mean students of the LEU University, not like a beauty student.
Yeah, the students that are doing our program.
You can purchase the kit.
It has a 5-star rating.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
It is. It makes us proud.
So it's leuedge.com. So go on and check out the website.
Yeah.
And if you guys have any questions, just give us a call or email us.
Exactly. We're great at impromptu. You just saw that, right?
That was pretty good.
Call us. Ask us anything. We can
do a little jig, whatever you want.
Thank you. Get your education on.
Bye.
Bye.